Reincarnation is actually a Buddhist theoretical concept, but that is actually implemented in a actual practical tradition in Tibet during the first Karmapa was recognized. Then after that, the tradition of reincarnation became very popular in all Tibetan religious schools, even included the Bombo tradition. So then back in during the time of the Golden Potong government and the Qin Empire, then the Qin Empire, in order to support the system of reincarnation, Qin Empire sent a golden urn to Tibet to support the system of reincarnation. But at the beginning, Tibet also accepted this offering of golden urn to use in the selection of reincarnations. Because at the beginning, for both sides, for the Qin Empire, for the Golden Potong, there is no concept of politics of this golden urn. So, however, back in the 19th century, because the European colonial powers come to all over the world, including Asia, then the narrative of golden urn become a more political issue, a more political question. So that many Tibetan political leaders start to resisting the using the golden in the selection of reincarnations, such as the Panchen Lama and the Dalai Lama.